Morning students, class 5th, subject science. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss now given point of view as that you will see now here. Some point are here there. We will discuss arteries, veins, capillaries, heart and exercise or question answer also. We will discuss according to given point. See the observe my dear student. Let's come. We will start. Okay, see the observe. Yes, first of all now here you will see given picture. Yes, arteries and veins. Yes, it is the very important parts of blood circulatory system. We will discuss now here. Previously I had discussed function about of blood. Given pointer written as it here. Okay. See, now let us start. Arteries. They have thick wall and muscular wall. They have thick and muscular wall. Second point, they carry blood away from the heart. Third point, blood in arteries in light red in color. Okay, so if you will see the blood in arteries, that is bright red color in color as contain lot of oxygen. Fourth point, the largest arteries in the body is called aorta. Yes, my dear student. Another topic, veins, we will discuss now here. What is veins? Veins is a functionally written point are here. See the observe. First point is carry blood from organ to the heart. Second point, they have thin wall. Next point, capillaries. Capillaries are the finest blood vessels. They contain, if you will see the capillary connect arteries to veins. If you will see now here given picture. Yes, okay. They connect arteries and veins connect with the help of, yes, okay, arteries veins connect each other called capillary. See the observe. Next, and the capillary food and oxygen pass from the blood to the cell and carbon dioxide and waste product pass from cell to the blood. Okay, see the observe. Now we will discuss main component of blood circulatory system, heart. Okay, the heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The heart is a living pump. It is the size of a first, it shaped like a cone. Okay, and the heart beat continuously and pump blood into the arteries to transfer to all parts of body. And we will discuss the structural are here. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The heart is divided into the 2 walls by the thick muscular, and the right half of the heart has deoxygenated blood and left half pure oxygenated blood. flow pass from the heart. Next, if you will see, the arteries are the receiving chamber of the heart and have the wall thinner than the ventricles. The right auricles receive the deoxygenated blood from the whole body, while the left auricles receive the oxygenated blood from the lungs. The ventricles are the distributing chamber of the heart. Wall are the thick and right ventricles receive deoxygenated blood from the right auricles and pump to the lungs and oxygenated blood. There are 4 valves in the heart. They control the direct of the blood flow in the heart and into the blood vessels. See the observe, my dear student. Now here we will discuss in this video working of the heart. When the both auricles and ventricles are relaxed, the auricles get filled with the blood. The right auricles receive the deoxygenated blood from the all part of the body, and the left auricles receive oxygenated blood from the lungs by the pulmonary veins. See the observe, my dear student. Now here is very most important picture are here given. Yes, if you will see, it is very most important picture are given is here. See the observe. Now working of the heart. Yes, my dear student, all parts of the body and left auricle receive oxygenated blood from the lungs by the pulmonary veins. Next, both the auricles connect together. Their valve open blood from the left auricles into the left ventricles, from the right auricles into right ventricles. Okay, the both auricle and ventricles connect. Okay, connected. Ventricles is the pumped into the aorta and distributed to all parts by arteries. Deoxygenated blood from the right ventricles is pumped to pulmonary aorta and transported into the lungs by the pulmonary arteries for oxygenation. Okay, my dear students, see that this is very most important picture. You will observe carefully. See the observe. Next. Now here we will discuss how to check the rhythmic contraction and the relaxation of the auricles and ventricles is known as the heartbeat. The human heartbeat about 72 times per minute. We will observe with the help of now here given instrument. Doctor hear the heartbeat using a stethoscope. Keep the heart healthy. Regular exercise and take a relaxation. Cutting down the amount of fat, diet and keep heart healthy. Okay, my dear students, see the observe. Now here we will discuss question answer and exercise. First of all, new but also written here. You will read from book and recall also from your book. Exercise. Now here the answer. See the observe. Yes. In 1 minute heart beat 70 to 72 time, 68, 69, 40 to 40, 90 to 90 time. The answer is correct is here written 72 times. Okay, that is correct the answer. Blood cell include RBC, WBC, platelets, all of them. Answer is all of them. Next, blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries, Yeah, all of them. The answer blood vessels is all of them. Blood vessels with the thick muscles are veins, arteries, capillaries. All the answer is arteries. Blood flow in jerk in veins, arteries, capillary, all of them the arteries. Yes, true and false. Plasma is yellow fluid. True. WBC help in blood clotting. False. Veins carry blood from the body organ to heart. True. The heart has two chambers. False. The septum mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. True. If you will see, fill in the blanks. The right receiving deoxygenated blood from the right auricle. The answer is ventricle. Give the blood is red color, hemoglobin. Okay, please complete the given exercise as it. Now, in the heart, auricles lies above the ventricles. Auricle and ventricle should we write down. Deoxygenated blood from the right ventricles pump into pulmonary aorta. Should we write down as it pulmonary aorta. Third, you will see now here that and transported to lungs by the pulmonary arteries. Next, E. When the both auricles and ventricles are, the auricles get fill blood relaxed. Okay, now question answer we will discuss is here one by one. Fill in the blanks as it should be write down. Now, question answer. Explain the structure of heart. The heart has four chambers, two auricles and two ventricles. The heart is divided into two halves and thick muscular septum, which is the prevent the mixed deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Next, see the observe. How are the arteries differ from the veins? Arteries and veins should be write down as it. First point, the half. They have thick wall. Veins, they have thin walls. Arteries, they carry blood away from the heart. Veins, they carry blood toward the heart. Third point, arteries, the blood contain oxygen. Veins, the blood does not contain the oxygen. Arteries, they blood in arteries in the bright color in arteries. Veins, the blood in a veins in dark in color. See the observe as it you will write down. Okay. Yes, my dear student, see the observe the point of view as it. Okay. Next. Question number third. Name the three type of blood cells. Write their function. The answer is here. Red blood cells RBC. These cells transport the oxygen to every body part. WBC. They defend the body against infection. Blood platelet. It help to blood clotting. See the observe. Question number 4. Explain the working of the heart and circulations of blood. If you will see now here, the both auricles, ventricles relax. The auricles get filled the blood. Right auricle receive the deoxygenated blood and the left auricle receive the oxygenated blood. Both auricles and ventricle contract. The oxygenated blood pump into the aorta. Then all body parts of deoxygenated blood pumped into the pulmonary aorta and transported to lungs by the pulmonary arteries. So as that you will complete give an answer in your copy. See the observe. Picture is very most important. Also you will draw. White paper you will take and draw and paste in your copy. See the observe. Question number 5. Write 3 function of the blood. Function of blood. One is it provide food and oxygen to every body cell. It remove the waste from the cell. It help to regulate blood body temperature. Regulating body temperature. Question number 6. What are the capillary? The answer is capillary are the finest blood vessels connect arteries and veins. They have very thin wall and capillaries food oxygen pass from the blood cell. Carbon dioxide and waste product pass from the cell of the blood as it. You will see the given picture. Yes, my dear student, have you seen? Okay, here capillaries. Next, question number 7. Define the heartbeat. Define the heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation to the auricles and ventricles is known as the heartbeat. Heartbeat. The human heartbeat about 72 times per minute. Doctor hear heartbeat by using stethoscope. Okay, my dear students, see the observe, complete the question answer are here as you will write down in your copy. Okay, my dear student, thanks to all. Please complete your given question answer in your copy. Okay, my dear student, thanks to all. Please complete your all exercise in your book and question answer complete in your science copy. Thanks to all.